Yo, what's going on guys? It's Wexy and we're back with another video. So today I'll be doing something a little different. I'll be making a short tutorial about how to optimize your PC or just laptop and make it just better. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So first what you want to do, you want to go to the type temp and the 2% on each end. Then you will see this file. Click on it and just get into it. This file is actually the Windows dump file, and I personally do this once a month or 2 times a month. It really all depends how you want to optimize your PC, but it's really just absolute rubbish. After you deleted all these files, it really will improve your PC and gameplay experience tremendously. The second thing which you want to do is to right click on your taskbar and look for Task Manager. Here you want to go to Startup and if you can't see it, you should go to press May View Details so that you can see everything. Then when you get there, you want to disable pretty much anything which is enabled apart from the Vanguard one here, because that's for Valorant, which I play. The third thing which you want to do is to right click and you want to click on Nvidia control panel. This is only for Nvidia graphics cards. After you do this, you want to check if your computer monitor is 144 Hz and not only 60 Hz, because there would be a tremendous difference between 60 and 144. Here you can see that you can go on Ultra HD, which would only force your monitor to stay at 60, but if you just go on 1920 by 1080, you can see I have the option to go to 165 Hz, and that's because what my monitor can support. The fourth thing which you want to do, so you want to go to your taskbar and library. When you get into that, you want to find this PC. Then when you find it, Windows C SSD. Right click on it, go to Properties, and pretty much what will happen is that you want to press on Disk Cleanup. Then you want to select every one of these, and this will pretty much optimize your PC also a lot by cleaning up some of your SSD. And by doing this, it will just make your PC better. Now that it's done, you just want to press OK. Part 5 is pretty much only for people with Razer software. So if you don't, I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. But Razer software, so you want to go to Razer Cortex. You should get it when you get your Razer mouse or Razer keyboard. This will pretty much is something which will optimize your computer. So first what you want to do is go to System Booster, and then you can see your rig, but mine is fine. You just want to press scan and it's going to scan your entire rig real quick. When it is done, you pretty much just want to press optimize and it's going to start deleting and cleaning up all the rubbish from your computer. Then you want to go to boost, and then this is the part which really is useful. Before you enter any game, you want to go into the boost sections and you want to enable all of these ones. After you've enabled all of these services, specials and all of these, you pretty much just want to press boost now. By doing this, it will just pretty much optimize your computer and give you a bunch of RAM. For example, in my part, it pretty much optimized 1.2k RAM, so it's 1 GB of RAM which got saved, which is tremendously a lot. For the last step, you want to type GeForce Experience, and if you haven't downloaded it, downloaded it. It's only for any Nvidia users. By doing this, you want to go to your drivers, and if you haven't updated your drivers in a bunch, it will help your graphics card to perform better. So pretty much you just want to press download. I won't do it because it would end the recording and then I wouldn't be able to do it. But if you guys do want to, you guys should do it. And it will probably help your computer a lot. When you do this, you're able to get a few tools which come with it, which are instant replay and recording. Pretty much with these, if you press a specific key, it will record the last 30 seconds of what happened in your game, which is really fun to do when you just want to send a clip to one of your friends. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon, and say in the comments that you watched till the end, okay? So peace out.